Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can add Pinterest save button to your Chrome browser. See here, this is the extension what you need to have. To have this extension, open your Google Chrome and search as save to Pinterest. That's it. I'll tell you what is the use and how much work it reduces. So, save to Pinterest. Once you're on this page, you just need to add that to Chrome. See, add to Chrome. I already added this extension. See here, this extension is already been available on my Chrome. All that you need to do is you need to click on add to Chrome so that it gets added to the extension. Once it is added, when you're on any website, if you have any image, for example this, okay, this is the link. I'll show you. I'll open just Amazon. For Amazon, most of them are using Pinterest, so I'll show you with Amazon, Flipkart, or whatever it may be. Okay, if you have any product and you liked it very much and you want to add this particular image or any other image, just with one click you can actually save that image to the uh, Pinterest. So click on extensions, click on save to Pinterest. Just with one click it will show you the options. It will show you the list of images on this current page to be added to the Pinterest. So again, save to Pinterest. See here, all the list of the images are being shown here. For example, if you want to pin this one, click on next and it will ask you to add the board, means to which board you need to save this. So I'll save it to most by home interior save. That's it. Just within one click, without even entering into the Pinterest website, I have added that particular image to this board, must buy home interiors board. I have just added this. So this is how simple we can keep all our pictures on our Pinterest board just with keeping that save to Pinterest extension. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.